Inilatag sa isinagawang first quarter Cotabato City Peace and Order Council meeting ang estado ng seguridad at mga hakbang ng otoridad kasunod ng mga insidente ng pamamaril sa lungsod. Kasabay din sa pulong ang Anti-Drug Abuse Council meeting. Ang detalye mula kay Joelyn de la Cruz.
Pinangunahan ni Cotabato City Mayor Bruce Matabalaw ang first quarter Cotabato City Peace and Order Council meeting at City Anti-Drug Abuse Council na ginanap sa Cotabato City Hall. Dumalo sa pagpupulong si Cotabato City Police Director Jibin Bongkayaw, 1st Marine Brigade Commander Brigadier General Romulo Quemado II, mga kawani ng Public Safety Office, BJMP, PIDEA, Philippine Coast Guards at mga kapitan ng lungsod. Inilatag ang mga bagong hakbang na ipapatupad ng mga otoridad sa usapin ng seguridad sa lungsod.
Although yung CBPP ay main effort siya sa peace and order activity ng city, ginagawa na natin may mga strategies na tayo na implement previously. But because of some sensationalized shooting incidents that transpired, medyo naalarma yung higher ups natin because of that. And it is a welcome move na magkaroon ng dagdag pwersa ng Marines dito sa Cotabato City. Kami sa Polisan ay hinikayat nga namin yung community na mag-support sa aming peace and order efforts galing sa civilian, force multipliers, BPATs, and others. Ito, nag-offer ang Marines to support the PEP. For that matter, it is a welcome gesture to the Philippine National Police. Hindi naman sinasabi na wala kami ginagawa, but because of that offer, we are very thankful on that. And we will be talking to each other to have some synchronized approach on crime prevention efforts.
So magbabago yung approach namin at nakita namin na hindi pa sapat yung dati yung nakaraang mga approaches namin. One of these, I cannot mention all of course, for operational security. Pero isa na dito is street level presence. And also at the barangay level, magkakaroon na kami ng mas solid na permanent presence in all of the 37 barangays. And of course, this is in support of the Philippine National Police under the direction of our city mayor. Yung presence pa lang will result into swarming the city with enough forces that can be present at any point in time, 24/7. Lalong-lalo na, papasok na tayo sa Ramadan and we don't want anything that will disrupt this holy month.
Well, this is a regular quarterly meeting of the councils, no, ng both the Anti-Drugs and the City Peace and Order Council. But it has become very timely dahil nagsunod-sunod yung kaso ng patayan. For the record, ito pa lang yung pinakamalaki nangyari during this administration. And if you will compare the crime statistics of this period compared to the same period last year, mas mababa pa rin naman yung ating crime rate. Pero hindi ito about comparing kung sino mas mababa. Ano? Ang pinag-uusapan dito, dapat walang mangyaring krimen sa lungsod. Pero sadyang nalulusutan lang tayo ng mga halangang kaluluwa. Pero ang importante dito ay hindi nagpapabaya yung ating kapulisan, yung ating Philippine Marines, at lalong-lalo na ang inyong city government upang matuldukan, ma-resolba, matapos yung mga kaso ng pamamaril sa Cotabato City. And we have discussed ways forward so that mapigilan natin, ma-deflect kung ano man yung mga pinaplanong karahasan dito sa Cotabato City.